What's up, guys? It's me, Bella, and today we're gonna be playing with my slime that I have showed in TikTok. My user is the A symbol with a circle around it, and then Bella and F in it. So if you wanna see the slime on that video, go ahead to my TikTok and you guys can see when I got this. Alright, let's start because this has been in water and I don't know if it has dried yet. Only the outside has been dried. So I'm not sure if it's wet inside or outside. Well, it's not wet in the outside, but it might be wet in the inside. So let's go. By the way, if you guys don't know my age, I'm 8 years old. Okay. And I just got home from school. That's why I'm in here. Alright, every time I make a video or a TikTok in this shirt, I just came from school. Because our school is 5 days a week. Alright, oh my. Oh, it's like goopy. It feels so stretchy, but it's not. Wow. Look at that. It looks like booger. Drip, drip, drop, drop, dip, dip, do. Alright, it's on the table. Don't worry. I know I'm on my bed right now. I just put my pink-ish table. See? And it's pretty wet still on the bottom of it. It looks very like slimy and goopy. There, you guys can see. Right here. And it's very like, I don't know how to describe it, but it's sticky. And there's some water and it's separating itself. It's pretty sticky, but you can get used to it. You can't really squish it much or else it will break. But if I squish it, I can just put it all together. It's so sticky. There's like stickiness. Ew. This is Bob. Bob says hi. This is Bob when the car goes by. Ah! It's red. Alright. Well, that already disappeared. So you guys didn't see that this is Bob. Bob says hi. Anyway. Whoa, it's stretchy. But this side broke. It sticked on me. It's like I'm a magnet and I will be with this slime. Oh, there's a word car still on there. I did that at school. This is Bob. Bob says hi. This is Bob when the car goes by. Ah! It is red right now, but it's disappearing a bit. And there was a word dead Bob on the top. And this one says Bob only, but there's no more Bob. There, Bob a bit. Yeah, it says Bob a bit. You guys can't really see. But you guys can see. Because if I can see the camera and you guys can see it, you can see it. Oh, hello! You guys can see me too. It smells like shampoo. Well, I did put shampoo in here, so. But guys, ask permission to your parents before doing it. There's slime all over me. Okay, need to take it off. Guys, and I also recommend for you guys to watch. I also recommend for you guys to watch Dollhouse. It's a very cool and family movie a happy, sad, and also very entertaining movie. I actually had to watch it 2 times to get myself to not cry, because that movie is pretty sad. Like, actually, there's this like man that always do vaping. You guys, if you guys don't know what vaping is, ask your parents, because I don't really know either. Just kidding. They like have this like little bottle thing. If your mom and your dad has that, then they drink some of it, and then when they blow, a bunch of smoke comes out that smells good. If you guys know, if your parents have it, that's a vaping product, I think. The table's moving, that's why you guys are moving too. Dollhouse is a very fun movie and nice movie. So first of all, the first thing that happens in this movie, a girl is driving to a like hospital with a bunch of old people. She went in the hospital. The doctor told her that he's okay, and I didn't know who it was, but when she met him, I saw this like guy, and the doctor said, "Sir, you have a visitor," and the girl went up to the grandpa, and she said, "Hello, best friend," and then he looked at something, and then she looked too, and he was like, "Hello," and then a movie started. That's it. That's the clue. That's the hint of what happened. That's a little clip of what happened, but you guys have to watch it so you guys can see. I don't know how to really... Oh, that was a bit okay, but I don't know how to do it. Yeah. I remember at school, we were singing a song. All the kids were singing the song very loudly, but the boy next to me, his name is Elijah. He is my classmate from grade 2. I'm grade 3 now. He's in my class. And every time there's like a high-pitched note on some of the kids' videos, he says, he screams a lot, but in good tone. I don't know what's happening. He's just wiggling his head and then singing in good tone. I don't know. Online class before. Hallelujah. Oh, you can guys see. No, hello everyone. I can't see you guys, but you guys can see me because it's very blurry in the slime. Hallelujah. Okay, that's fun. Wow, I wasn't expecting that. It's such a good slime right now, you guys. Green is good luck. I don't know why. I usually don't like green because it's like gross. I don't know, but green is a nice color still. I still like green even if I don't like green. You know? You know what I mean? You get know what I mean. I see a T, I see an H, I see an I see an E. This is Bob. Bob says hi. This is Bob when the car goes by. Ah! Okay. Na 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 na. Okay, wow. It feels sticky, but it's not. See? It feels sticky, but it's not. What? Alright, this is so cool. It looks a bit neon on the camera. That's cool. Neon green. It looks whiter in the camera. I guess my camera's whiter. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. This is very... But then if I close the lights, you guys never see anything. You know what I mean? But I can see you. But you guys can't see me. Because it's dark. My eyes like stuck together. I don't know why. Dun, 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 dun. Ooh. I'll be just quiet for a few minutes or seconds. Stay tuned. I'm back. Alright, I'm gonna watch that clip. Yeah. There's no cuts in this video because I'm not lying. This thing's amazing. Ow. But to make it be amazing, you add glue and you take it with you to the bathroom for 2 days. And I mean, don't stay there for 2 days. I mean, like, take the slime with you in the bathroom. Then when you're done, go out with the slime. And then the next day, go again. You know what I mean. So this is the glue that I used to make it be amazing. It's Elmer's glue gel. It's blue. It's amazing. Sponsor for this, John. If you guys didn't know what that means, it's just kidding. Ow! Okay, don't do that. It's a glue bottle. Glue almost fell. I forgot there was just another brick over there. I didn't mean a brick. This cushion is smaller than the bed. So if anything falls at the side, I can grab it still. Because it's just on this like cardboard thingy. It's not cardboard. Alright. It's just on this little thing over here. See? There's a little space. So that's why it doesn't fall. And I thought it was gonna fall. Wait, back to the slime, back to the slime. This is what I use to make it be perfect. But it needs to be in the cup before I do it. So there's gonna be a part 2 of this video. But we're not gonna end now. I'm gonna show you guys how much to put, because you guys might overload and put a lot. Okay, so put it back in its case, just like that. Make sure every single piece is in there. No air holes whatsoever, not even farts. Okay, make sure there's no such thing as farts in there. Alright, grab your glue, Elmer glue, and then squish until the glue goes down. You have to wait. A piece fell out. Alright, there you go. And then add as many as you like, but not a lot. Just like add a giant, a blob. There, a big blob. Not a big blob. It's just that. Oh my, I forgot you were glue. Alright. It's sticky, as usual. It's glue, so maybe I should grab a stick to mix it for you guys. I should use... Ooh, this is good. Oh, and I can also use this because there's no more ink. I can use this and this. Saw thing. I don't know what it's called. But don't use a real one, use a toy one. I just like tools, that's why I have a boy toy right here. Boy toy. And just like mix it around. Mix. Mix it around because a little kid could be watching and they think it will be great. But you have to have the same exact slime as mine because I don't know if your guys' is gonna turn out like mine. Just kidding, you can have any other slimy ones. So if you guys quitted, no, you guys can do it, but only if you guys have slime. That's the only rule to make this. You need to have slime. It's just like chainsaw. Just kidding, it's not a chainsaw. But it looks a bit like a chainsaw. Okay. Alright, I'm doing it on the table. That's gonna come off. Take the glue off of this. And I recommend you guys to watch this little light of mine too. It's just in YouTube. It's a song. It goes like, this little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. But if you guys don't really like it and it's kind of girly, just kidding, it's not girly. It's for everyone. You don't need to do it really if you don't want to and you have some school to do, schoolwork. So I just recommend after doing whatever you have to do. There's glue in there. I'm gonna add some more. Woo! Wiggly, wiggly, wiggly. And wiggly, wiggly, wiggly. There's a lot coming out. Whoa. Should I put it in there? I think I should put it in there because I don't want to make a mess. Over here. Oh, and there's a pencil. Oh, you don't need it. Whee! This big thing that has an egg sticker on it. Alright. Pour it. I think the glue is gonna, yep, the glue is going first. Alright, well the glue is very sticky, so I shouldn't touch that. Come on, slime, you have to go in there. Not just the glue, we need everything. But we also need the glues. Squish, come on, just wiggle your little tail over it. Oopsie daisy. Ooh. Hallelujah. Just kidding. Okay, just pull every single one out. There's not really glue on this. Nah, there's glue in the cup still. Hey, don't stick to me like that. Alright, so it's in there. You guys can't really see because of the fried egg sticker. Excuse me. My mom's calling me. I'm back. Alright. And I found my old big balloon thing. Okay. Now can I open the hood? Donkey.
Ito din pa baby. Ano mo na yung gamit mo?
Not yet. Okay. What this? Big. you pour
Sabi ko, bukas ko na
right
lutuin
back
yung
into
ininom.
its
Kasi
cup.
iniisip ko nung pagpapalit
So we
kasi,
have to wait.
Pagka niluto mo kasi ng torta na mainit yung kiniling, naluluto mo yung itik. Eh baka mag-awalak sa oras na gigisahin mo ano, mabilis na yun.
Hindi kaya.
Ano?
Alright.
Kung makasunod lang.
Put it in there.
Hindi yan.
Please
Tapos
don't fall on
torta.
the sides.
Yung tuwa.
Hold you. Oh. Ah! Oh, that's stickiness.
Yung gumagawa nun.
Okay, I got it. Come on, let me do all of it.
Ano, luto yung itlog eh.
Meron nga doon na comment kanina. Inaisip ko ng sponsor ng labador.
You guys can't even see me. I'm so tall.
Basta yung tungkol sa iyo, iba pa yata.
Okay, too tall for that.
Hindi daw kailangan magpayat.
I need to like lay down right here for you guys to see me. Because this is how I have to lay down for you guys to see me. I have to lay down like that for you guys to see me. See? Like this. This is how I normally sit. Now I'm gonna lay back and it still looks like I'm normally sitting even though I'm not.
Sintabi yung sa Diyos niyo.
Ah. Alright, there's no more part 2, so bye. Mickey.
Hindi naghilamos.
Ah.